Hello everyone, good evening. This is our project Purti Flowers at Mahestala, just 10-minute driving distance from Jinjira Bazar Taratala crossing. And you can see this is a 3 BHK apartment of 1384 square feet sellable area, along with this beautiful modern kitchenette and a service balcony. This is the service balcony space. And come this side. So this is the beautiful living cum dining area. And just on my right side, you can see this is the lobby space. Along with this lobby, you can have this common toilet area. So beautiful common toilet, along with wall mount commode and the basin area. And now come this side. So this is the first bedroom, and this first bedroom is having windows on both the sides. And this side, this is the second bedroom, and the second bedroom is having a size of 13 feet into 11 feet, with having a big size window and a wardrobe space. And now come this side again. This is the living cum dining area, and along this living cum dining area you can have this attached balcony space. And from this balcony you can see the view. This is the view of flyover. This is the Taratala Bajbaj flyover just in front of you, and the beautiful city view. And now come inside. This is the third bedroom or master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, with having again both the side windows, and the size of this master bedroom is approximately 14 feet by 11 feet, with a big size wardrobe space and attached toilet space. So this is the wall mount commode area. So this is a 3 BHK with 2 toilets and with a breathtaking view of the Taratala Bajbaj flyover, an excellent city view from the windows. From this window also you can get this view. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having only 2 units left of this size, and we are giving some excellent discounts and offers for very limited period. Our project is absolutely ready to move in condition right now, and this project is having approximately 3,600 flats with multiple towers. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates.